How to transfer money with PayPal. So first you want to head to paypal.com and sign into your account. Next, you can basically click on the send button on the right side or the send button from the top here. It's pretty much the same. Now, this in case if you want to transfer money to some other PayPal user, you can basically type their name, email, or mobile phone number if you have any of these info. And then just it will ask you to specify the amount you want to send and add any notes if you want. And if you also want to transfer funds to your bank account or your card or whatever, from the home button here, you can click on the transfer funds button under your balance. Now, all you need to do is select where you want to transfer these funds. So for example, your bank account, if you have a bank account linked, and then press next and specify the amount that you want to transfer, and then press next and confirm. And this should basically transfer the funds from your PayPal to your bank or card or whatever. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.